You got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
It's got the factory alternator, factory radio, no big three.
Nothing. It worked good though.
147 on the meter.
Oh yeah, it worked good then. Running here, man.
I got 2 DB Drive 12s on the 3K South Cube. I got the alternator and the big three set up, just not in the car.
Yeah, that's a job in itself, really. That's a tight spot up under there.
I'm trying to find somebody who can do it. If anybody want to do it, hey,
say let them know.
Let me know, please, so I can upgrade some more.
You let them know you can find you on Facebook or Instagram or TikTok, anywhere.
TikTok at the AI driver, so yeah.
Yes, sir. I'm gonna try to tag him in the video, man. That's good seeing you, bro.
Appreciate it, man.
Yes, sir, man. On the factory electric, man. This thing working.
You got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.